Hello, brilliant minds! Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable guide on all things entrepreneurship and business. We're here to help you navigate the thrilling yet challenging waters of selling your ideas effectively. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the top 10 ways to sell an idea. We'll explore strategies, tips, and tricks to make your idea irresistible. So buckle up as we dive into the top 10 effective ways to sell your idea. First off, understand your idea inside out. It's not just about knowing the surface details, it's about diving deep into the core of your concept. Grasp its unique features, the problem it solves, and how it stands out from the crowd. Because when you know your idea like the back of your hand, you can express it with clarity and conviction, and these are key to persuading others to buy into it. Understanding your idea also means knowing its potential pitfalls. Every idea has its weaknesses, and being aware of them will only make you better prepared to address any concerns or objections that may arise. Moreover, this in-depth knowledge can help you tailor your pitch to different audiences, making it more flexible and adaptable. So immerse yourself in your idea, live it, breathe it, dream it. Remember, the foundation of selling an idea effectively starts with understanding it thoroughly. So let's unlock that potential by mastering your idea first. Secondly, it's crucial to know your audience. Just as a chef tailors a recipe to the tastes of his patrons, so too must an entrepreneur craft their idea to the preferences, needs, and desires of their audience. This isn't about changing your idea, but about presenting it in a way that will resonate with those you're trying to reach. Let's say you've developed a groundbreaking app for managing small businesses. Your audience isn't just anyone with a smartphone, but rather small business owners or those aspiring to start their own. You'll want to highlight the features that solve their unique challenges and illustrate how your app can streamline their day-to-day operations. Understanding your audience allows you to speak their language and tap into their emotions. It's about creating a connection and demonstrating how your idea is not only valuable, but also a solution to their specific needs or problems. Your idea will have a better chance of success if it resonates with your audience. Third, create a compelling story around your idea. Now you might be wondering, why storytelling? Well, storytelling is an art that humans have been practicing since the dawn of time. It's a way to share experiences, pass down wisdom, and yes, sell ideas. A well-crafted story can make even the most complex idea seem relatable and interesting. Imagine your idea as the protagonist of your story. It has a beginning. That's the problem your idea is trying to solve. It has a middle. That's the journey of how your idea plans to solve that problem. And it has an end, the impact your idea will have once the problem is solved. Crafting your idea into a story gives it a life of its own. It becomes more than just a concept. It becomes an experience, an adventure that your audience can partake in. A good story can make your idea more memorable and engaging. Fourth, show the value of your idea. This is a crucial step in selling your idea because people need to see what's in it for them. It's not enough for your idea to be brilliant, it must also be beneficial. Think about what makes your idea stand out. Is it cost-effective? Does it save time? Can it improve the quality of life? These are the kinds of questions that potential buyers will be asking. They're looking for something that will give them an edge, something that will make their lives easier or their businesses more profitable. When you show the value of your idea, you're not just selling a concept, you're selling a solution. You're selling an opportunity. You're selling a future. So make sure to highlight the value of your idea in relatable terms that your audience can understand and appreciate. Remember, an idea with clear value is an idea that sells. Fifth, involve your audience in your idea. Remember, it's not just about presenting an idea, it's about creating an experience that resonates. When your audience feels seen, heard, and valued, they naturally become more invested in your idea. This involvement can take many forms. Ask for their thoughts, their concerns, their hopes. Get them to imagine how your idea might impact their lives in a positive way. A great idea is like a spark, but it needs fuel to grow into a flame. That fuel can often come from the audience themselves, their feedback, their enthusiasm, their shared dreams and aspirations. When you invite them to be co-creators of your vision, you're not just selling an idea, you're building a community. This approach creates a potent sense of ownership, and when people feel ownership, when they feel part of something, they are more likely to support it. So, involve your audience and watch your idea take flight. And sixth, use visual aids to sell your idea. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? That's because our brains are wired to process visual information much faster than text. By using visual aids, we can tap into this innate ability to help others understand and remember our ideas better. Think about infographics, charts, diagrams, even simple sketches. These can illustrate complex concepts in a straightforward, digestible manner. When we're trying to sell an idea, it's not enough for people to just hear about it. They need to see it. They need to visualize how it works, how it fits into their world. Visual aids also help to keep your audience engaged. Instead of monotonous blocks of text or endless verbal explanations, visuals capture attention, spark curiosity, and make the information more memorable. So the next time you're trying to sell an idea, remember to paint a vivid picture. Visuals are a powerful tool for selling an idea. 7th, practice your pitch. Just as an actor rehearses their lines before stepping on stage, you need to practice your pitch to perfection. Practicing helps you familiarize yourself with your own script. It allows you to identify any weak points, work on your timing, and fine-tune your delivery. Think of your pitch as a performance. The more you practice, the more confident and convincing you become. It's not just about what you're saying, but also how you're saying it. A well-delivered pitch can captivate an audience, making them more likely to buy into your idea. Try practicing in front of a mirror, or better yet, in front of a test audience. Their feedback can prove invaluable in refining your pitch. Remember, practice makes perfect. The ultimate goal is to reach a point where you can deliver your pitch smoothly, confidently, and convincingly, without seeming like you're reading from a script. A well-practiced pitch can make all the difference. 8th, show passion and confidence. A critical aspect in selling your idea is exuding an air of passion and confidence. It's not just about having a great idea, it's also about believing in it and showing others why they should believe too. When you're passionate about your idea, it shines through in your presentation. It makes your pitch vibrant, compelling, and impossible to ignore. Your energy can spark interest, ignite curiosity, and inspire action. Confidence, on the other hand, builds credibility. It shows your audience that you're not just dreaming, you're ready to take action. You've done your homework, you know your stuff, and you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Confidence reassures your audience that you're capable and committed. Passion and confidence are more than just emotions. They're powerful tools for persuasion. They make your idea more appealing, more convincing, and more likely to succeed. So, don't hold back. Let your passion and confidence shine. After all, passion and confidence are contagious. 9th, address objections. Now, this is a crucial step. When you're selling an idea, you're bound to face objections. People will have doubts, concerns, questions, and that's perfectly normal. But here's the thing. These objections aren't roadblocks, they're opportunities. Every objection is a chance to strengthen your pitch, to show that you've really thought things out. When you address an objection, you remove a doubt. You're clearing the path for your idea to shine through. So how do you do it? Well, anticipate the objections. Think about what concerns your audience might have. Then, prepare clear, concise responses. Show them that you've considered these issues and have solid solutions. Remember, it's not about winning an argument. It's about building understanding, about showing that you've done your homework. So don't shy away from objections. Embrace them. Addressing objections head-on shows that you've thought things through. 10th, don't forget to follow up. This point cannot be overstated. Following up is a vital part of selling your idea. It's not just about making a one-off pitch and then disappearing into the ether. No, it's about showing your commitment, demonstrating that you're in it for the long haul. When you follow up, you're not just reminding your audience about your idea. You're also showing them that you value their time, their input, and their potential involvement. It's a clear signal that you're serious about what you're proposing and that you're willing to put in the necessary effort to see it through. Following up also increases your chances of selling your idea. It keeps your proposal fresh in the minds of your audience, and it gives you an opportunity to address any further questions or concerns they may have. It's a chance to reinforce the value of your idea and to reassure your audience of its potential. Remember, selling an idea is a process, not a one-off event. And in this process, persistence often pays off. In summary, we've discussed 10 ways to sell your idea effectively. From understanding your idea, knowing your audience, creating a compelling story, showing the value, involving your audience, using visual aids, practicing your pitch, showing passion and confidence, addressing objections, to following up. Each one plays a vital role in successfully selling your idea. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep those brilliant ideas flowing.